Hello. Sorry if it's loud or bad quality. I was tired and did a random video.
Hello.
With my voice, of course.
I did not hold oh God. So another run, but a solo, but with my voice. Wait a second. Yeah, I will try my best to watch my suffering. While I'm listening to Christmas music. Okay, my tone is too much up. So, it is useless. I'm just gonna use it for fucking Ico. Please don't demonetize my video. I'm gonna swear a lot. So, if Cat, aka an internet friend, sees this video, yes, why not? I think I told her the wrong name of my channel. Generally, I hate you, fucking Louis. It's generally local astromain. It's true, actually. I'm an astromain. I panic when I see everyone else stammer. I somehow like Brusha even if she has the same stats as Louis. It's great to play her. Because you can help people with disability. What's she drawing? Interesting. Fits to my... fits to my old name called Wheat Curry. I think I didn't upload the video where I actually showed my voice the first time. Well, here it is. Louis? No. Thank you, good boy. You did not hear me say that. No. I do not know what problems most people have with Brusha. She's actually great to play with. I like her more than Louis. I think people would like Louis more than Brusha. I can understand that though. But I like Brusha more than Louis. I just failed a fucking 4-star skill check. Why did I press that? Brusha. Okay, you have to be careful not to press it. I have to be careful because I brush my ability most of English. My English isn't Englishing. Look. Okay, watch me suffering with my English. I would speak German right now, but nobody would understand me. Because my channel is right now pretty English. It's gonna be a struggle. I hate speaking English only when I'm texting it. I'm pretty good at it, but not with speaking. Literally a voice revealing. While listening to the music in the background, it's pretty quiet so you can't hear it. I might pause the game a little because some people come into my room and tell me something. So if the gameplay pauses, I'm sorry. Someone came into my room. Like right now. And no, Twin, where have you been? I'm Toothless, but no, he's not the rabies kid. Guys, yes, I have a remote, but no, I'm not gonna put it on Brusha. I want the speed item. Speed trinket random. Baby, do you recognize me? Let's paint a here. It doesn't surprise me. Shit. Nobody heard it. Okay, they're fucking deaf. Let me fix something near my TV because I'm listening music on my huge ass TV in front of me. The very next day, you gave it away. This year, to save me from tears, I gave it to someone special. Last Christmas, I gave you my heart, but the very next day, you gave it away. This year, to save me from tears, I gave it to someone special. I'm sorry, people. It's just the Christmas songs are so great to listen to and then sing it. I'm full in Christmas vibes. Wait, what's the date today? No. Oh wait, I forgot something to do before I log out of it. Which day is it? Oh. I didn't use my ability for Icarus. I had 7k, but I spent it all on the new skins. I see already this video is gonna be 20 minutes or longer. I fear this will happen. But that's fine. The capcut will probably explode because of me, but that's fine. I swear to God, if my internet friend invites me, I just want to do a solo run. I don't want. Oh God. Wait a second. Okay, by now I don't care if I show their names. I'm not great at editing, and I'm not gonna try my best in hiding their names. I'm sorry. But do not friend anyone of my list. They're great people, yes. But no. Do not friend them. Please don't. Most people would hide the names. But I'm just too lazy and my editing is just straight up shit. Yes. The only thing I do in gameplay videos is just put my YouTube name into one of the corners. Fuck. And how you see it, I will be swearing a lot of times. in a video. For the next video, I will be spinning the wheel for raccoon. For raccoonfish. But not for the trinkets. I'm not gonna struggle for English. Oh. And it's because I'm so shitty at fucking editing. I'm not gonna put undertitles. Except you have the choice, actually. Do not demonetize. If YouTube detects that my videos have swallows, let me write it. Yes, that's what I wanted to write, and I'm gonna let it there for you to read it. Oh no, not the butterfly. Or how I say it in German, Butterfliege. Is he that blind? Oh. I can already see that no one's gonna watch my videos. I'm just uploading because it's fun. I'm a small content creator. That's it. My old videos on the channel here, where I did videos with my god, my English, where I did videos with my best friend from real life. But now, because we had a little argument, she stopped making videos with me, so I stopped uploading for a little bit before uploading my own videos. Yeah. Kinda painful, but her edits were great though. Those were random capcut edits, but just great. Bro, 12 minutes into the video and it's already floor 3. Okay. Let me cut it a little. When I do machines, of course. Those are the best items I ever saw in the shop. Not gonna lie. The only thing I get mostly is nets and etc. But holy shit, great items. Oopsie. I paused a little too much. Was that? Oh, it's Fisher, okay. I just thought it was cheated. Ahorn. My favorite item. It's useless in a solo, but I don't care really. Fuck you. Can I please do a machine? Tisha. Here. I never did anything. Did you see something? Okay, I will be cutting this video a lot more because I don't want it to be like 30 minutes long. Oh. I'm gonna do a Danny run because I need his blushy. I wanna be the fellow big bag Asprout again because why not? Why do you say that the tapes are yours if you my English, like, if you blend them on the fucking floors? Why? I'm genuinely gonna bully him. Okay, if anyone hears the music on the background. But I turned it a little louder because I'm skipping the whole time. I think that's better. Oh my god, please do not come up blackout. I just need the light to see better, I guess. Oh. There was something. I forgot about Dandy. Oh. Suffering begins now. Well, if he sees me, I don't really care. I need his research anyway. Oh, he saw me. Let me get the flower away real quick. And has he a long has he a long attention span or something? No, wait, you can watch me this floor. No cuts. Oh! Why was he standing before me? Why was he standing in front of me? Dude, let me get a break from you. Is he coming? I mean, he's somewhere there. Shrimp saw me. Satan, go away. Holy cheeks again. I do not know what's wrong with me. I never juked any that hard. Hello, Dandy. Hello, Dandacious Dancer. Why is his name actually so long? Danny Dandacious Dancer. Shrimp. I'm gonna make dinner out of you. He's somewhere there, but I need my machine. Minutes. Well, long video, how I said it. Can Danny go away from my fucking machine? Oh, is he blind? My sprint ready. Dude, it's primed. Let me finish the fucking machine. Shrimp, I'm gonna tear your head off. He's never there. The jumps cannot go long. I'm doing this fight real quick. Oh, is he calling to me? Yeah, he is. Good shrimp. Go away. Dandy, I love you, but no. Back to the kitchen already. I know I need something like 30% from him then. I'm not gonna play Roger though. I don't like Roger. I don't like playing with him. That's the thing. I like that you get 2 times presents. Yes, research. More research. But I play normal tunes, not like him. I like to get research normally and not with Roger. It's a waste of time. Because it's slow as fuck. Let myself see him. Come here, sprint here. You will see me. Thank you. Please guess what? So 22 minutes. I should say you saw nothing. I saw everything. I saw every fucking detail of you. I'm traumatized. Not really, actually. Get away from me. I want nothing from you. I want to see you twice in a fucking run. Before heading back to the other reel of the run. Oh, well. Wait, I just realized there's a fucking bug. Don't mind if I do. And another bandage. He's spoiling me. Get help. Oh yeah. Okay, Brusha saw me for the 4th time already. In the fucking middle machine. Like, let me live. There's another fucking machine. What? Okay, was zum Fick? Can I screenshot this? Thank you. Oh my god, I just turned cray. I'm gonna take that as a thank you, but I'm not gonna buy. Brusha. Oh yeah. Wait a second. Thank you. That was my first time getting hit by Connie. That's actually. What is your fucking line of sight actually? She sees me from fucking 100 meters away. Okay, I have a bad feeling because he gave me a bug and a med. Should I be scared of it? I know, is he giving me one of his fucking mains or something? Like, shit, I'm scared, bro. I'm shitty scared. Always when he gives me heals and something great, I'm scared shitless. Because he gives me Pebble or any other wasp main. Like when I was on floor 20 in the Halloween event, I got Pebble, Gordy, V and Finn. Like, let me be. The research was great. Yes, I've got it now. Dude. Nightmare floor pool. So I'm going until I get Dandy a second time. That's my quick info. Yes. Like when I get Dandy the second time, I'm gonna get myself killed from him. I wanna see how much research I have left for him to get his fucking trinket. Of course. And I'm gonna. So we have Tools and Cosmo, really great. And I'm gonna get every capsule from him first, and then get myself killed. Cause why not? After that, I will be doing dial hunts. Wait, I need a little break. If I do that machine, I'll be going to the FK spot. But I will be stopping the video for a second so you will watch me on floor 10. Because I'm gonna skip to floor 10. So you don't have to watch me take a break on FK really quick. Because I've done many runs before already. And I want to play Sims 4 after this run. And the need is great. Wait a second. Okay, I'm going FK. Skip to floor 10. Hola again. Let me sip something with lemon iced tea. I bet no one's gonna watch this video anyways, because I'm just uploading it because of pure boredom. I am happy though that I have 50 subscribers. It makes me happy. My first treadmill on floor 10. My second. Lottie, you look like you want to literally bite someone the heads off. So until if I... This video is gonna be 30 minutes long, but that's something I don't really care of. It's a lot of editing though. Nah, it's alright. If this video gets a few comments maybe, you can say to me which tune I should put into the wheel, because 2 fucking slides are missing from the wheel, and you can just decide which one. But not any from the Easter or Christmas event, because I don't have them. I think I already have on the wheel Astro, Connie. No wait, I'm gonna put Boxton on it. Not someone else. I'm gonna looky then. I'm gonna Goob and Boxton. I'm gonna put them there. Yeah. I'm sure 2 videos will upload this day. If you question why so many are full editing mode, I have to do some speed paints again. I have many speed paints, but I don't show them much. Mostly because I draw them and then forget all them forever. Hello, Tisha. Not gonna lie, her twisted looks like she's about to cry. I feel bad for her. 3 treadmills on 1 floor. Great. Oh, where's my box? Great. I don't know if he's already aggroed. If yes, it won't take long that he comes. I woke up. I never looked at the dialogues. I never. because it's my second time of playing Brusha. Yesterday was my first time playing her, and it was generally great, except my friend dying over and over. If she watches this video later, tell her I'm about to haunt her. She died so many times, Scotty. I can understand it. Her stealth is really shitty. Okay, now I failed. Yeah, you know what? I'm just gonna continue the machine so I get off it. It seems like I'm gonna die. I like this skin from here. It's generally my favorite skin with this skin from this update. No blackout, that's a wonder. But we have Gigi and Finn, how great! I feel pleased, really. The one and only I wished was not going to come, but she did. Go back into the basement, Gigi. Holy shit, did she almost saw me or something? Nah. She hardly ignored me. But now someone saw me. It was Finn. It's almost painful when you get the fucking slowness debuff from Finn and then some twisted sees you on there and you're literally on mercy. It happens to me many times and that's why I despise Finn. This twisted is kinda annoying. I mean, it gives you a slowness debuff when you finish a machine. And there's coming some. And then you in a blackout, you don't see him. He's literally like the fucking blackout. Dark as ever. It's a struggle. When you're distracted and you're on run hard, you get you get sniped. Except you have a great healer, then you will be healed. Like in those videos I see, and Ginger heals someone while they get hit and not die. That's great somehow. I want to be like this too. But nah, as a healer I mostly main Cosmo. Not because of the skill check, but these are some... Oh boy, sleep! So... Not because of the skill check. Because I like Cosmo. I like his skins. I like the one a scientist skin. It's great. It's great to play as him too. And I'm slow as fuck. I'm still swearing a lot. Can I please not? It's gonna literally ban my video. off your ass, Brusha. How did she not hit me? Just how? How? How did she not hit me? She walked to me around the corner and I got slowness debuff. She stole my pop but not hit me. Is her hitbox... Got her hitbox somehow tinier? Like always when I played Dennis World in a solo, she got a massive hitbox because of her fucking hand. Oh, I got my pop back. Thanks, Dandy. My twin. Where have you? Jump scare simulator. I literally yell at myself when I get jump scared. Because some twisters come out of nowhere. Nowhere. Welcome, Cosmo. That's something I know now. Going. I don't really care about the iconics anymore. Skill checks get somehow easier with them. If you have like 5-star skill checks and you have like illness and magnifying glass and the awards for Shelly's Trinket, I can understand that's hard kind of with Cosmo. But I know if the circle machines are too slow for you with like 5-star skill check, just go into fucking Ico League, then the fast. I always do that, it's kind of like a hack. And okay. Is Dandy coming next floor? If yes, thank you. Because I wanna play Lynn's World as fast as possible. It's already almost 40 minutes long. Oh god. Yes, my capcut is gonna hate me and I already see this, Alter. It's almost there. 10 seconds. Yes, I can see that because I'm recording on the phone. Of course. I can see that. But I fucking hate you. I don't hate the tune, but the twisted. Okay, now it's 40 minutes. Oh yeah, that's gonna take a while. If one of you watches it like fully the video without skipping it, then what's wrong with you? You wanna see a video where I struggle to even speak English or what? Oh yeah, if I sing a random lyrics from a video, don't ask about it. Can you twist it? Move away, dude. I wanna do it, fucking machine. Let me do it. Meh. Meh. I'm like a fucking child. I'm 13-year-old and I act like a fucking 8-year-old. Okay, now we revealed my fucking age. Real great. Brother, I wanna like write my age and then type it somewhat fast. Like shit. I'm 13, yes, I'm not 12. I'm not 12. If I sound like a kid, it's because I'm really childish. And weird, of course. So if you see me that long, bro, I wouldn't be surprised. She can literally see you from 100 meters far away. That's her ability as a twisted. Oh. Okay, now they won't let me go to the fucking machine again. Move your ass away. Okay, now I got to the walls. Okay, now what? Let me switch to music real quick. It's gonna take a little while. Pitbull Terrier. Why am I doing this? Why am I doing this to myself, bro? Can I listen to... What all I want for Christmas is you. I wanna sing it. I can't walk to the fucking machine. Let me go there. You know what? I don't care. I don't care. Let me go to the fucking machine. Thanks. Still a jumper. Yeah, it is. Yeah, Michael. Let's go want for Christmas is you. I cannot sing if you ask me, but I'm just doing it. What for Christmas? There's just one thing I need. Of the presents. Okay, no, I'm just reading it off because I'm not good at it. This won't make me happy. On Christmas Day, I don't want to fit you could ever know. What wish come true. All I want for Christmas is you. Okay, no, Dandy's not here. Hi, my little baby. Yes, I'm obsessed with... free floor. No, one twisted stair. Oh yeah, Tegan already. Chill out, woman. I was never here. Saint Nick, and I won't even stay awake to hear those magic ring the click. I just want you tonight. You won't be so tired. What the fuck? Tegan, let me sing. No, wait, I'm not gonna. 'Twas you, baby. All the lights are shining so brightly everywhere. Millions of children slaughter fills the air. I just said slaughter. Wonderful. We're gonna kill children today. It sounds so wrong, man. I want a lot for Christmas. That's all I'm asking for. Baby standing right outside my fucking door. I'm failing skill checks here. It could ever know. wish come true. All I want for Christmas is you. 46 minutes. All I want for Christmas is you, baby. I want for Christmas is you, baby. And yes, I meant really you. The one who subscribed me are really great, thank you. I'm happy for having over 50 subs. Thank you very much. Good moisture or what? I wanna say something, but I forgot what to say. Tegan, do not come here. Oh, wait, what is the music? Last Christmas. Oh, yay. Last Christmas, I gave you my heart, but the very next day, you gave it away. This year, to save me from tears, I gave it to someone special. Last Christmas, I gave you my heart, but the very next day, you gave it away. This year, to save me from tears, gave it to someone special. Oh my god, I like Christmas music so much. But then I shine. I keep my distance, but used to catch my eye. Like my baby, do you recognize me? It doesn't surprise me. No saying I love you, and it have been. You kissed me now, I never you could again. Last Christmas I gave you my heart, but the very next day you gave it away. This year you saved me from tears to someone special. Last Christmas I gave you my heart, but the very next day you gave it away. This year, to save me from tears, gave it to someone special. Perfectly brained. Oh, there she is. Mia. Place on the love far in his heart. Man undercover, but you tore me apart. Now I found the real love that fooled me again. Last Christmas I gave you my heart, but the very next day you gave it away. this year to save me from tears. I'll give it to someone special. Danny, can you already come? Where is he? Oh. I want to die. Oh. Give me 1 second. Sprout! Wait, which this would do we have? Sprout and Brusha. I'm down from Brusha. There we go. Wait, which one do we have? Oh, the third twisted. If it's Razzle Dazzle, I wanna die. From him. From them. I'm sorry. Sorry for misgendering them. I wanna die being slow. Okay, right. I get speed from it. No more. Ooh, kiss me. It's a boosh. Okay, now the last hits I'm gonna die. Oh, let me looky. Someone came into my room really quick. Give me 1 second. Okay, I guess it's a goodbye.